Y'all, nothing says comfort like this ultra creamy mac and cheese. Y'all, this recipe is definitely going to be a keeper. It's so easy to make, so delicious, so cheesy. If you like what you see, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty recipes. Without further ado, let's jump right in. I'll be using a blend of cheeses that I grated. Please guys, whatever you do, don't use the pre-shredded cheese. They don't melt as good. The blend I'm going to be using is extra sharp cheddar, Monterey Jack, Colby Jack, and Mozzarella. These are the spices that I'll be using: paprika, complete seasoning, onion powder, cayenne pepper, white pepper, garlic powder, garlic salt, and garlic and herb seasoning. I'll have the exact measurements in the description box below. In a heavy saucepan on medium-low heat, I'm going to add butter and flour. I'm going to mix it until the butter is melted and the flour is cooked through, about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to add some half and half and evaporated milk. Once that is thoroughly combined, I'm going to start adding some of the cheese. Be sure to reserve 1.5 cups of the cheese blend for the middle of the mac and cheese. And also reserve 1.5 cups of the extra sharp cheddar and 1 cup of the mozzarella for the top of the mac and cheese. Add the remaining cheese into the saucepan and mix until the cheese is melted. Next, add the spices into the cheese sauce. The exact measurements will be in the description box below. Boil the pasta in salted water according to the package directions. In a large bowl, add the drained noodles with a half a stick of unsalted butter. Mix until the butter is just about melted. Add the cheese sauce and mix well. It's just a personal preference of mine to add the sauce in stages, but feel free to add all the sauce in at the same time. Then I'm going to add half of the pasta in a 9x13 cast iron pan that has been greased with butter. Add the reserved cheese for the middle. Don't forget the corners. Top with the remaining pasta. Next, you want to add your mozzarella cheese. Make sure you lay it evenly on every corner. Then you're going to add the extra sharp cheddar cheese on top of the mozzarella cheese. Y'all, this is not the time to skimp on the cheese. There's nothing like a nice cheese crust. Garnish with a little extra paprika. Bake in a preheated oven of 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Let it set for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you dig in. Y'all, this recipe was everything. It was so good. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Please let me know what you think. Don't forget guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time,